Apple Clips is a lot of fun to use, especially when you're trying to show your teacher what you know. So Clips looks like this. So you're going to go ahead and tap on Clips, and you can hold it this way if you want. You can hold it horizontally if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and hold it vertically. And if I wanted to take a picture of something, for instance, this cute little puppy right here, I'm just going to hold down on this pink bar and you'll see a counter starting up above. That means it's recording my audio and it's recording the video. As soon as I let go of it, you can see the clip down below, down here. So let's say I wanted to add some pictures of puppies from my camera roll. Aren't those puppies cute? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my album labeled Puppies. And I'm going to say, oh, I would love to get that cute little video of that puppy in there. So now I'm just going to hold down the pink bar. Oh, what a cutie. And you see that the clip has showed up down below. If I'd like to add one more picture, I can go ahead and do that. Let's see, oh, this is another cute picture of my puppy. So again, I'm going to hold down the red bar, and it is going to be creating a video clip for my picture. And again, these are pictures of my camera roll. Now if I want to add something special, I'm going to push the star. And look, I can actually add filters if I wanted to. So let's go ahead and let's make the puppy look like a cartoon. So now I'm just going to go ahead and hold down the red button. And again, it's made a really cool filter on my video clip down below. So if I'd like to add some more things, I'm just going to tap that star again, and the next thing I'm going to go over to could be live titles, where it will show you your words up on your screen as you speak them. Or you can add one of these stickers and you can actually change what it says. So here it says love this. So I'm just going to press the little back arrow and I'm going to write Lulu because that is my puppy's name. And then if I want to, I can move it wherever I want, and I can make it smaller using 2 fingers in, or spreading 2 fingers out can make it bigger. And then again, I'm just going to hold down that pink bar, and it is recording the video along with my voice. Now let's go back to the star and see what else we can add. Here we have all sorts of emoji stickers. That's adorable. So let's go ahead and pick this lovely star, and I can move it wherever I want it, and I'm going to hold down on the pink bar, and it animates as I continue holding it down. And when you press the star again, another thing you can add are emojis. Emojis are always so much fun for me. So let's just go ahead and add this emoji. Of course, we want to make sure that whatever emoji we choose, it actually has something to do with our video. So again, I'm just going to hold down the pink bar, and you can see it's recording all of the video again with my audio. So another thing you can add is by tapping in the upper right hand corner. You can add music if you want by pressing on soundtracks, and you can listen to whatever you would like. It'll download, and then it can add it right to your video. So we're going to go ahead and add that one, and we're going to tap done. And then if we wanted to move some of our clips around, all we have to do is hold down until it lifts up, and then you can just move it wherever you want to put it in the entire video. So then it's going to go ahead and save. You're going to tap done, and it's going to save in your camera roll, so you can go ahead and put it wherever you would like.